Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the super cool looking Mutant Piggy from Roblox Piggy. And this one is really cool looking with those giant claws. To begin, we're gonna draw in the one big circle first for his head. This will be pretty much the same as all the other piggies. So just try and draw a big circle as best as you can. It's okay if it's a little wobbly. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw his snout. So just one more big circle inside. And then on the inside here. Okay, for his nostrils, and then let's see, right on the corner here for his eye. Let's draw another circle in the space in between. And then on this one, I'm going to add another circle closer to the edge. And so this part's going to be red and this one's going to be black. So I'll just shade that in real quick. And this side's going to be black. Alright, and then for his ear, just come out from the top of the eye. Just draw one curve all the way around. And then whatever size you drew here, just try to draw the same thing on this side. Alright, and then now for his really cool looking mouth. So just come out to the side here. I'm just gonna add a bracket. Just come across. I'm gonna add a little bit of a wavy line here just to make it more menacing. And then now for his awesome teeth. So I'm just gonna draw in a little angle like this, round out the bottom. Okay, and then in between here, it's gonna be two more. So it's gonna be much smaller. And now let's see, let me shade this in so we can see the cool looking teeth better. You can add in, because I'll leave this part white so it'll make it look like there's another teeth coming from the top. Alright, and let's see, almost forgot about the cheekbones here, so this one's easy. Alright, so nice and creepy. Now let's draw in the body. So we're gonna come out to the side here, it's got those the rib cage. So just draw a little bracket like this first. And then come down and then just go back up a little bit straighter. On the top here, add two little curves like this. So now it looks like it's one continuous piece. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw a couple more. So let's come down, go up. So pretty much the same thing. And then one more. Alright, and then on the bottom, we're going to close this off. Let's come all the way across. And again, this is going to be one piece. Now let's draw in the hip and the pelvis. So just come down here. And then just come in, just close it off. And then on the inside here, just draw like a little U shape. So this is one piece. And then there's one little bump here. I think this is gonna be the spine. Alright, so now that we have the body, let's come down and finish up the legs and then we'll draw in those cool arms. Okay, so just come out first. Come in on the inside. So that one little curve. So this is supposed to be very bony, so It's gonna have a lot of weird shapes. Okay, and then this is gonna be his knee right here. Now we're gonna come back in. So come in, just one little bump here. Slant in, one little bump. And now we're gonna go back out. So this part's a little bit tricky, right? Now we come down. And then on this side, go out. Just make it a little bit wider. And then now we can draw on the legs. So just come down like this with a bracket. Just go up. And then right in the middle, just one more. Alright, so those are the legs, and now let's try those awesome claws that he's using. So right here, there's his shoulder. Come down. And then this is a bone shape, so we're gonna draw this again. So that's one side. Now let's draw in the inside here. Okay, so pretty much a little bone. Okay, so that's one. Now let's draw in. So this is the elbow. One little bump again, and then let's come down. And then same thing here, we can just close that off. We can always simplify things. Let's add in one little line here, or one little shape. Alright, so now for the hand, it's gonna be gripping the claw. So we just bracket out like this. And then now on the inside, just close it off. And now let's draw in the claw, and we'll simplify this one because or else it's gonna be really long. Okay, so just come down. Just one more of these shapes. Okay, and then now for the claws, really cool looking. Just gonna come out. I'm just gonna draw one first. Come back in. Now the other one's gonna be slightly behind this, so it's gonna be skinnier. So let's draw that and then tuck it right behind. One more. Okay, so let's draw the same thing on this side. So just one big curve coming down. Nice and sharp. And then now the other one, it's gonna be slightly behind. Okay, and we can add in just one little shape here if you like. Just make it a little bit more complicated. Right, so that is it for this really cool looking Mutant Piggy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.